Hey, it's Chucky here from SojournerScholar.com. So I've just received my material set for a purchase of the LSAT 165 Plus from the Princeton Review. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing review of what you get in this material set. Now, in the description section below, you're going to find a deep dive of my review of the LSAT 165 Plus from the Princeton Review. So if you're thinking of buying this course, make sure to check out the links in the description section below to see a detailed review of what you get on that course. So let's go ahead and pop open this box and see what books are included in the set. So the first book in here is the LSAT 401 Raising the Bar, which just has a bunch of practice questions and answer explanations. And then you have the LSAT 101 Core Concepts. Book number 3, you get the LSAT 201 Patterns and Pacing. And book number 4 is the LSAT 301 Master the Approach. So those are the books you get with the purchase of the LSAT 165 Plus from the Princeton Review. And like I said, make sure to check out a detailed review of the LSAT 165 Plus course based on our personal experience using this course over several weeks. And you can find that video review in the description section of this video.